Perfect latte art begins with microfoam structure at molecular level. Temperature and aeration transform milk proteins into silky canvas. Flow control defines art quality. Proper pitcher angle and position create ideal milk stream for pattern formation. Crema provides foundation for design. Its surface tension supports milk while allowing precise pattern development. The heart base anchors Rosetta design. Height and speed control determine pattern symmetry and definition. Leaves form through rhythmic wiggle motion. Each pass builds pattern complexity while maintaining symmetry. Layer integrity maintains pattern definition. Proper temperature and texture prevent design breakdown. The pull-through completes design integration. Steady hand movement ensures clean pattern resolution. A perfect Rosetta holds its form briefly. Timing of presentation captures design at peak definition.